Very good morning to one and all. I, Dr. Deepak Motwani. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about and discuss about the cloud computing security in COVID-19 in pandemic situation. So, look at here. In this duration, I have learned from the AWS training certification has successfully completed AWS Security Fundamentals on dated 10th May, and also I have completed AWS Foundation Security, your AWS Cloud. So as we know that there are different types of cloud services are available like AWS, Salesforce.com and others, Microsoft Azure. So here are some contents I have mentioned so that it will be better for us to understand what we are going to discuss in today's lesson. Cloud security risk during the COVID-19 pandemic. As we know, in today's most of the faculties, students are using the Zoom app and others apps which are not more secure, and others apps also, and websites are also not secure. So we must take care about this. We will discuss how we can make it more secure and what are the steps we have to be followed. So the cloud definition we will discuss, essential cloud characteristics, cloud service models, and the cloud application and practical examples we also discuss here. So effective and secure use, cloud resources, case studies, and security models. Security is the major issue in the COVID-19. So examples we will discuss: AWS, Azure, Facebook security, Zoom app, and other securities. So let's start. It's true, in COVID-19 has opened a gate to hackers. So we will be very careful about the hackers using the current circumstances for the and others to identify avoid these unique cybersecurity threats. So our concern is how we can manage and how we can secure from the cybersecurity attacks. So hackers are trying to take advantage of the rapid changes happening across industries. Hackers are using the COVID-19 crisis as a part of their attack. Viruses in the form of viruses, ransomwares, data stealers, or banking malwares such as Mustang Panda malware, and then this is second is a Kimsuki and many others. So it's in such times that digital solution as a key mitigation tool for these threats can most at most importance to ensure that the companies are secure and their communication and data are efficiently protected. So we must take care all the points. The use of the tools such as IDS, Intrusion Detection System, by the cyber threat intelligence allows the detection of the attacks, significantly reduce the potential damage, make use of available tools like encryption and multi-factor authentication. So like OTP, digital signatures, biometrics, we know VPN among the others. Solutions such as SafeNet trusted access can be deployed by the Cisco. So the IT security team to secure remote access for VPN users, virtual private network, and in cloud services such as Office 365, Salesforce, or other virtual environments with single sign-on and scenario-based access policy. So single sign-on is one of the important feature. So the cloud security risk during the COVID-19 in pandemic. So you must take care about these vulnerabilities during the shift adoption the new access policies, network devices, managing the cloud infrastructure remotely. So cloud misconfiguration, lack of awareness controls the oversight. So this site you can go through it www.uz.co. Unauthorized traffic to a virtual servers. Instant 28% unauthorized access to the database services, 24% unauthorized users login, 24%, and unauthorized 25% API calls. Cloud misconfiguration was also cited as a cause of system downtime events, 39%. So some instances or figures are mentioned here, so it will be help us to understand the today's scenario with most employees working from the home. This is the important thing in today's scenario where the organization can support it. Are there increased cybersecurity issues or risk? So short answer is yes. So you can visit this site also. This is site through gives a certification of the process, ISO certification, annual testing against our business continuity plan, BCP, that is disaster recovery and incident management process, to the name few. This is the EPIS server continuously monitors and tests against. So infrastructure support and requirements. Organization must test including load testing, remote connectivity, capacity, whether VPN, virtual desktop, VDI interface, such as multi-factor authentication, security certificates installed on and personal devices used for the work may also be appropriate. So ensuring that organization implement prompt, continuous and up-to-date security patches on remote access. So here the point is patches. Policy should also articulate a security hygiene and consistent use of VPN, especially when accessing an insecure network such as public Wi-Fi. So these are the some cloud services. Look at here: Amazon Web Services, Google, Oracle, Grid, 10th generation, virtualpower.com, force.com, virtual. So we will try to understand what is the cloud first. So if I say it is a cluster, it is a supercomputer, it is a data store, it is a superman, none of the above. So all of the above. The cloud is a loss of storage with compute cycles nearby. This is the definition. Or we can say that cloud is a concept, it's an implement in any language, it's an idea or concept. So the defining cloud computing in emerging IT development, deployment, delivery model, enabling real-time delivery of the products, service and solutions over the internet, enabling the cloud services. So as we know that SaaS, and yeah, yes. So computing as a service, hardware as a services, software as a services. I hope we are aware about these concepts. So Amazon EC2 services, Elastic Compute Cloud, Simple Storage Services, S3, SES, Google Apps, Microsoft Azure Storage Cloud, Mozy Online Backup, EMC, Atom, Salesforce.com. These are the examples of cloud computing services. So essential cloud characteristics: on demand self-services, broad network access, resource pooling, location independence, rapid elasticity, measured services, API devices and location independence, virtualization, reliability, maintenance, security, performance, agility. So this is the models through which we can understand how service model architecture works. So software as a services, it will uses all the services, cloud infrastructure, SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. Platform as a services, it will uses the two services, platform as a services, infrastructure services. Infrastructure as a services, IaaS. So common cloud characteristics: cloud computing often leverages massive scale, homogeneity, virtualization, resilience computing, low cost software, geographical distribution, service orientation, advanced security technologies. So, we will continue in the next lecture about the practical part of the cloud computing.